Hi, I'm Guy, and continuing on with this user-friendly week this week, this episode is about, does the website content load quickly? That is, are they waiting and waiting for the page to load, and how long are they going to wait? Well, Google's Page Insights says if it's over 2 seconds, you've lost. They've moved on and gone to something else. Internet users are all about not having to wait, I guess. And mobile even more so, because they don't want to have to sit there and use up seconds waiting for your page to load. It better be pretty darn quick. The BBC over there in England, they've determined that for every additional second of site load, they lose 10% of the users. Well, I think after 4 seconds, they're losing more than 10%, but that's just my opinion. Take a look at the Google document. It's at theguyrcookreport.podbean.com. And it talks about 3 ways that you can optimize your website content and make it load a little bit better, like optimizing the images, make fewer requests, enable browser caching, those technical terms. And you're going, I don't know how to do that. Then find somebody that does, okay? Because the page that loads quicker is going to win the race. And so if you're in the race, be in the race to win. And a fast loading page is going to win. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.